Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Toyota Hilux, stock number 5999. This ran from 2015 to the current shape. It has a 2 TRFE 2.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-pedal pneumatic transmission. This is a 2 TRFE 2.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror, left front door, 1 dent. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, 2 dents. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, a sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,